In this tutorial, we're going to go through how to create Facebook campaigns with the Muzaara platform. First, you would name the campaign. For this example, it will be Summer Sale. Whether you want it for brand awareness, consideration, or conversion. And then select your ad account and just add tags, which are just for the internal use. So then you go through to create the ad set. Again, what you'll do is you'll name the ad set. It's only for internal use. And then you define which business page you want to link it with. So this one we've selected the Kids Watch Mart. The website will just be your main website URL, or if you have a special landing page or promotional page, then you'd put your ad message, which will show through. So this is your call to action. So for example, here it's summer sale with free shipping on all orders. And then the source, which product feed you want to use to populate the ad in terms of products. The next is your optimization goal. Here we always define link clicks, whether you want desktop or mobile or both feeds, and whether it's a call to action format or the carousel format. Go through to the next step and it will basically go through to define your demographics and locations. You add the countries you want to target, the languages you want to target, and then go through and add the gender, the age group, and then you can get as targeted or as broad as you like. So here we've put 32 to 56 is the age group, and we're looking for people that have children, so it's married, specific, open relationship, and it's complicated. We're looking at the educational level, go through and define as many as you want. And then where it gets interesting is your interests. So you can target interests in terms of what people would be interested in, or also target, for example, similar pages which are selling products like yours, or that could be your competition's pages. This way you'll be attracting people that are interested in your product category. The key is really to get as targeted as possible. You can also go through, if you're targeting different schools, field of study, employers, job titles, and you can create a range of different campaigns through the Muzaara platform. So you can have one which is broad and then one which is really targeted in terms of knowing exactly who your niche is. So here we're going through and defining as many interests as possible to make it a targeted ad. And here, for example, we've chosen Lil Bub, which would be a competitor of Kids Watch Mart. So then you've got an option of custom audiences if you have them imported in your Facebook account, the Facebook Pixel, which we recommend for tracking sales, and then what custom event is it? Is it an add to cart? Is it fill out a wish list? For this one, it's a purchase. Then we go through the next step, which is how we're going to report on these ones. So note it's a max of 100. So you select, it's not going to change how it's actually performing. It's just how the system is going to report on. Then we define the budget. So for example, $10 per day. We want to run it for June. And then the bidding is CPC and how we want to be charged on that, which is link clicks. Next step, we go through and then we'll basically publish it to Facebook. So what we do is we can either publish later or publish on Facebook. When we log into our Facebook ad manager, we can see that it's pushed the campaign live. We click through and then we'll get an idea of how the dynamic creation actually works. So all the products that are delivered in this ad will be driven from your data feed, and the higher engaged ones will be promoted higher than the ones that are not getting the engagement. So after time, the products that are actually converting with that audience, so you can see the products it shows all equally weighted. The products that are converting are the ones that are going to be shown more and more to that audience. Another thing to note is when you click on the end, it's obviously going to that URL that you entered. For example, this one is the home page. But on all the product ones, we've shortened the title to ensure that we have the price located there. So the consumer knows exactly what they're getting. When they click on the link, they go directly to your product page. Well, that is a tutorial on how to create product ads.